morning. This is Oliver, and I wanted to record a new video to show the updates to my app that's participating in the InterSystems developer community in the InterSystems Developer Tools contest right now. Also want to show you how you can get there if you want to check it out for yourself. I went to community.intersystems.com, navigate to Open Exchange. Then there's a contest tab, and I want to see the current contest. I can see there are 21 registered applications. I'm not logged in yet, but it's not necessary right now. And I'm looking for my app, which is over here, Iris Log Viewer. Click on this, and there is an online demo available. So I want to show this. Click on online demo, and the login is the usual credentials. I think you should be familiar with _system and SYS to log in. And this is the page I've developed. It is similar to what's available in Management Portal, but I have options here to filter on what was happening with this Iris instance. For example, I may want to see not every event that's recorded here, but only things that are level 1 or 2. I can see here 3 messages. This looks similar to what's shown, how it is shown on the management portal. I also have another display option where things are in rows and columns. I want to thank my friend Lorenzo for sending me a pull request. He added the display style. Can also clear the filters, see all the data, and another shout out goes to my colleague Patrick, because he gave me the idea, or he asked, where is the download link on the management portal for messages.log? And that's not available. And in case like we run our Iris workloads in Kubernetes, and it's not always easy to obtain a messages.log file. For example, when InterSystems support asks, okay, send us messages.log. So now with this app, it's possible to just click the download link, and I've already downloaded messages.log, a download copy that I can attach to an email. I think that's what I wanted to show. The only other thing of interest is if somebody wanted to see what happened at a specific time in history, we can filter the messages.log based on, this is a new online demo that was just deployed today, so there isn't much in there yet. But I can say I want to go from today from, say, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and see what happened in that time frame. It says nothing. Oh, 8:57. Okay. It's not that late yet. And still not seeing anything. Well, no demo is a real demo without a glitch. So I try to clear my filters. And go to the bottom. Don't have a button like management portal has. So there. Okay, maybe this was deployed later. Let me see, server time today. It says 11, so that's probably UTC time. So I think I need to filter different time. Okay, let me show that this really works. So today is defaults to local time. On my browser, it is just before 6 a.m. right now. But on the server, it is, okay, I want to do 11:0 for start time, and end time I'll do today. 6 a.m. is really 12 p.m. on server, I believe. That should work. Try first the raw format. Okay, it looks like this, and I see the times happened after 11 a.m. today. This is the display in columns. And again, I see what happened on my system between 11 and 12 server time. I think that's all I wanted to show about my app. I hope you get a chance to spend some time checking out the current contest. There are lots of great ideas implemented here. And if you like something, support us, support me if you like my app by voting. Thank you for your time. Hope you have a great weekend. Talk to you all soon. Thanks. Stop my recording. Over.